what's up guys, it's your host Adit. Today we have got something new over here. It's the all new Redmi Air Dots. Yes, we got our hands on the Redmi Air Dots. This is the Redmi Air Dots and not the MI Air Dots. They are different. Not different, but the thing is that they have a MI logo and over here is the Redmi logo. So on the back, let's see the features and specs, and everything is in Chinese because it's a Chinese version and I ordered it from AliExpress. So let's see, it has a 40 mAh battery and a 300 mAh battery for the charging case, and you have to charge this with a 5-volt charger. I think so because I don't know Chinese. I have to learn this language, bro. Okay, so let's open this, and the box quality is pretty good. Who cares about the box quality? We care about the product. Yes, let's open this up. Oh, magic. We got this. This is the Redmi Air Dots charging case. Let's take this thing out and keep it aside. Let's see what's inside the box. And from here, I think there's that earbuds, extra earbuds. Let's do another magic. Oh man, now I'm a magician. And it's the extra earbuds, ear cups. No, it will not ear cups. So it has large, extra large, large and small. I don't know, I've still not opened it yet. So let's see what's inside the box, and the manual, which is in Chinese, and really another manual in Chinese. Okay, we have Google Translate. Yeah. So let's just quickly take a look at this thing. Let's open this. Okay. Actually, I feel that the quality is not that good, and it's, wait, what will you get in only 2,000 rupees? Let's open this thing. Oh yeah. Over here are the two earbuds or the Air Dots. So this is the left and this is the right. So I prefer taking out the right. I suggest you take out the right first with any Air Dots, any earbud, any true wireless Bluetooth earphones or earbuds, because yeah, the right is the main part which connects to your phone, and then the right also connects to the left. So first connect the right, then the right will always connect to the left automatically. So this means it's charging, and I don't know what's the white light going on. See, red, white. What a combination. Let's hear the sound. So guys, I've heard it, and I think that it has a pretty cool bass. So let's just take it close to the microphone one. And I didn't hope this great bass from them, but I'm surprised. I'm just shocked. For a earbud or a Air Dot, this bass is, I think, perfect, and the clarity is quite good. Clarity is good, better than the both bass dope. The bass is only higher in the bass dope, but the clarity, it lacks in the clarity. But over here, both are quite similar. Means the bass is cool, the clarity is cool. If you want a earbud or any true wireless earphone in this budget, link in description. And I recommend you this earbud or Air Dots. I'm getting confused now. This is the Air Dots, okay, because I think it is the best budget Air Dot or earbud, true wireless earbud I have ever heard. The clarity is pretty good. It's loud. It depends on the song. The song has a bass, or the song is zero bass. Of course, every song has some amount of bass in it. So if you like the video, share the video, comment down below, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And oh, I forgot one thing. Subscribe, man. Subscribe to my channel. Wow, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free. Make sure that the red subscription button turns gray. Yeah.